Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm on today to do my sinking funds. I haven't done it in a while because I've been juggling all the money towards the savings challenges, but today I'm gonna stuff some money with a new challenge that I'm gonna use. The money that I'm using, it's £50 from last week's savings challenges rollover, and I decided not to add that rollover to this week's savings challenges. If you want to see that video, it's there for you to view, but I'll leave it in the description below. So I've decided to use that £50 to stuff my savings challenges. I need a hairdo, I really do. But I need to get to my daughter's for that. She doesn't charge me for doing my hair, but I've got to pay for some kind of transport to get to her, and I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to use an Uber or the public transport is definitely out of the question, so I don't know whether I'm going to use Uber or my car to drive there. When she does come over to mine to do my hair, I just give her petrol money because she won't take any money for doing my hair. So that's that. So I haven't put anything into my hair envelope for quite a while. None of them actually, but my hair is down to the last of it and it needs doing. I also have got to order some henna as well because that's what I use for my hair, so I've got to get that envelope started back now. But anyway, I've decided to use the roll with it, and this is from Esther at My Money Matters. I got quite a few savings challenges from her a few weeks back, and I'm really happy with what I got. She's a lovely lady. I'm going to leave her link in the description also for her YouTube channel and also her Etsy shop. So I'm using this in order to help boost up these envelopes. So it's roll with it, what will you roll and save. So I'm going to use a dice today. Let me see, what color shall I use? I think I'm going to use let's see what colors we've got here. So I need some new colors. I'll use orange. So I need some pinks. I've got purples, maybe some lilac. I've got the transparent pink, but I want some solid pinks. And I'll see what other dice I would like to get along the way. These are all the envelopes that I have in here at the moment. For going out, if it rolls on one, then it's £5. Rolls on two, for hobbies is £10. If it rolls on three, that's for labour. That's for money that I save just in case I need a workman in to do some bits and pieces, put up some shelves or whatever. I need a new piece of fence in the garden at the moment, so I'm saving towards that. Now if I roll 4, that's £20 for well-being. If I roll 5, that's £25 for my hair, and if I roll 6, that's £30 for spending. But what I most probably do is juggle the spending between hair and well-being, you know, 'cause I can't see me spending it on anything else, and I'll just build up the going out as I go along, build up the hobbies. I want some more, I want a couple of arts and crafts supplies, but I'm holding out for that, and I'm really using everything that I've got at hand and at home. Labour, I need to get that buffed up. It's got quite a bit in it already, but I still need it buffed up. And what do I need for my well-being? Nothing at the moment. I've not been to aqua aerobics, and I'll leave it as that for the minute. So let's get started. So I've got the orange here, and I'm going to roll. So that's 5. hair. Well done, the universe heard my cry. And there's the £50. I'll just count that. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm doing 25 for hair today. That's 20, 25. That's good. See, I've got nothing in hair. So that's a really good start. I'm glad. Don't go rolling on hair again, please, dice. 4, and we've got well-being, and that's £20. That's 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 good envelopes. Yes, I'm glad. I do have some money in here. I've got £10, so I've got 10, 15, 20, 25, £30 now in well-being, and I'm not stuffing any more in that for now. That's plenty. And let's see what we get. We've got £5 left. Let's see. 3. That's 15 for labour, so I'll just put the £5 in. That's fine. I'm happy with that. Look, we just got to do what we can, right? So in labour, I now have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And that is brilliant. So let's see, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, and I'll just colour that in quickly. That's 100. Great. So that's really building up nicely. And that is that for today. I'm really happy with that. I've put in a new envelope for spending. I don't know what I'm going to be spending it on, but if there's any loose money left, then we'll see how that goes. I think I got all the categories in order. I like that. I'm happy with those categories. So that is my sinking funds for now. And hopefully I can come back on and stuff some more another time soon. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.